Welcome to my June plot tour. I'm Kimmy and this is Kimmy's Kitchen and Garden. So here's the strawberry tower and the onion bed. I've just been weeding for a couple of hours. I've got some before and after pictures if you want to look at them on Instagram. I've already had a few batches of strawberries off these and I'm going to get some more before I go home. I do cover it with a net, but now I've got some new net I can make a proper frame for them. There's the pink ones with the pink flowers. Some more strawberries. Left them poppies in. And it looks like it's purple poppies. Loads of strawberries around here as well. Casper, what are you doing? Hey! It's a nice one. Not sure what happened here. And I just stuck some lettuce in the spare gaps. Hey Casper. This is a perennial sweet peas. They're just starting to come into flower. But obviously I didn't make the frame big enough. There's the red onions that should be done soon. They just need to swell up. The onions are done from seed. And it's got some self-seeded chard there and there that I might pull out and put somewhere else. And this is all the, what are the shallots. You can see them all splitting now. And this one. The apple tree. I've got apples. It's my lupin plant after the rain and the winds blew all over, so I just need to cut that back. It's actually fell on my cosmos as well. This is all my house leeks going into flower. My dahlia that I dug up. All my chrysanthemums I need to plant. Some other things I need to plant. I got some more chrysanthemums off my neighbour. It's my bamboo plant. So I need to get onto planting these very soon. This is all the summer fruit and raspberries. These raspberries are going to be everywhere. And some more cosmos at the back, which are really small this year for me. Autumn fruit and raspberries. Got self-seeded pot marigolds and a poppy. in the gap. Some more chrysanthemums that are not on sour yet. More pot marigolds. This, which I'll have to Google now because I forgot the name of it. It spreads everywhere in the garden, and that's how. But I like it, it looks nice, and it's got purple flowers in the spring. Some more poppies. Another poppy. Not even going to mention the greenhouse. This is my Three Sisters method bed. It's got sweet corn, the pumpkins at each end. The garlic stupid about. I wanted to do it today, but I've run out of time. But it's ready to come out now. Some more chrysanthemums, and this is my first chrysanthemum that's went into flower, which is my yellow one. So I'm going to put a label on that saying yellow for next year. And there's some more strawberries. Some apples, another pumpkin. Casper keeps jumping in the bed. Casper, out! Good boy. And I've got some potatoes, which shouldn't be here. It's a garlic that I just pulled up the other day and left out in the sun. So I definitely need to get them all out now. And I actually have gooseberries I need to pick, I've just noticed, before the birds get them. There's some over there. Loads of cherries. And they've had this many cherries. There's one that's ready. Oh no, just about ready. The brassica bed. There's my brassica cage. It blew over the other day. I've had to put bricks all the way around it now. There's my broccoli. I think it might be ready now. It's a bit small, but I think it is ready. This is all my kale, dwarf curly kale, and summer cabbages, and the big ones are winter cabbages, I think. There's another self-seeded pot marigold, some chives, the Allotment flower for the bees. It's got a weed right in the middle. Marigolds I actually planted myself, and that's a self-seeded one. Then there's these that I got told were Brussels sprouts, which they aren't. Does anyone know what these are yet? This is inside of the brassica cage. All the bricks all around it, so the stuff had blown away, which I should have done in the first place, but I didn't. There's some kale. These are all summer cabbages. No, they're summer what are they again? Cauliflower, cabbages, and then some more cabbages and winter cabbages. But it doesn't matter, they're just cabbages at the end of the day. That looks good, that one. Casper, get down. Down. Go on. Get down. Good boy. This is the carrot and spring onion bed. I've been weeding it. I've got before and after of this as well. You can see it on my Instagram. So I'm definitely going to get carrot fly this year, I think, because I've been disturbing them too much, even though I've got spring onions. Lots of spring onions in between them. There's the carrots I pulled out by accident. Which is actually the best carrots I've ever grew, I think, because they haven't got bugs in them. So I don't know if they're ready or not. If the rest of them are ready. They're ready. The spring onions at the back. So yeah, I'll show you the before and after on Instagram. Potatoes. These are the potatoes. It's Erica's little Welsh allotment potatoes. For some reason, I accidentally must have weeded these. So they took a while to regrow back compared to the others that I mustn't have weeded. That one's tiny. And that one. And that's tiny compared to this that's already in flower. And all my other ones, I was a bit more careful with. They're all the same size. So there's some pot marigold that I planted myself. There is some chives under here actually. Not doing very well. So I wanted chives at each end of the paths. And here is my peas. I need to weed a bit. The black currants. Oh, they're starting to ripen. Some of them. Flower. And the glow artichokes that are ready. That one's past ready. These are ready. I'm gonna let that one flower since it's past anyway. And these peas that the rats ate, or the mice or whatever, they only have 2 in it. Which is this one and that one. Some more at home in the greenhouse ready to be planted out, but I'm waiting for them to get a bit more big so the rats don't eat them again, or the mice or whatever done it. This is the back bit that I've only just started working on this year. It's got 3 raised beds. There's a little bed. It's got spinach in, which has started going to flower really quickly. It was really nice. It's still harvestable, but I keep giving these bits to the chickens. Let's try and stop it going into flower. And some chard. And this one was my seed starter bed, and these are the leftovers I didn't know what to do, so I just leave them in and give some of the chickens every now and again. This is some kale to be planted out later. And This is my Brussels sprouts. One, two, three, four, five. This is my lettuce and rocket. The rocket's just started going to flower like mad. And the lettuce has been getting eaten, but it's still nice. You should wash it. These are the honeyberries, which did flower early spring, but I must have missed the berries because I can't see any. The birds must have got them. There's only a few. There's a little honeyberry. I put cardboard down to try and stop the weeds at the back bit since I can't get any wood chip. And the rhubarb, which has done really good considering it's been moved. It looks really nice at the moment. You can tell I've been here weeding because the chickens have got all this, which they seem to be very happy with. Hello. You're going to get jealous, are you, Casper? Hi. I haven't got anything. Hi. Did you get a shock? Hello. Hello. So that is my June. Ow! Why are you trying to tuck my hand? Ow! What are you doing? So that is my June allotment plot tour. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye! Why are you doing that? Ow! Casper. No.